Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another charity shop thrift haul for you. I know, I'm trying to save money, but I wanted to show you these bits. I didn't spend an awful lot today. I spent £8, so I'll show you the bits I got because they're just amazing, and I've already DIY'd one of them. So for 50p I picked up two of these sort of milk bottles, like old style milk bottles. There isn't a lid, but I'm going to DIY them into something. I haven't fully finished the DIY, but I started one already. I've got it up here. So I have chalk painted the bottom with a chalk spray paint, and I've also got these black labels that you can use like chalk markers on, or I've bought these metallic markers recently from B&M and they work really well on them. So I have an idea for this for the new house, which hopefully will work, but it's not for holding any liquids. It's more vasey type, sort of, but it's more for decoration. But it's painted quite nicely, but it's not for glass, so I feel like it's just going to flake off if I'm not careful. So I might try and find a sealant spray or something to make it a little bit better on there, so we'll see. But I mean, it was easy to do, so I might do a different colour on this one, so we'll see. It would be good to get your feedback. Also, I have seen some amazing things on the Anthropology website, but I'm not paying Anthropology prices. I love Trinket Dishes, and I saw these two little like bamboo leaf dishes. They were 50p for the pair. Absolutely love these. They're a really good size. Look, just a lovely size, really thin as well. And I'm going to DIY these to something that looks a bit more Anthropology-esque. Not 100% a dupe, but you know, something lovely. So looking forward to doing those, but I haven't decided what colours I'm doing anything yet because I want them to match the house. We'll see. I'm massively into mid-century modern stuff, but there is not really that much going on in the house. So I just want little accents. However, this came up in our charity shop, and I just thought, you know what? I can't pass it up for £2.50. I'm not going to change a thing. Well, I might do. I might colour the glass bowl. I'm not sure. But this, it's a toast rack and like a condiment pot. And it's a beautiful wood. Like, the wood is so nice. It's a really gorgeous kind of teak coloured wood. It's the sort of colour I say to people I want my cup of tea. Like that sort of colour. The toast rack is really nice. I don't know where this would have been made originally. I looked online and they're going for about £12.50 on eBay. There's a little bit of paint. Oh no, it's from a nail. There you go, it's off now. This is such good condition, and I think this is going to look so nice on the breakfast table when we do eventually move in. If not, I might just sell it on eBay. We'll see. And then on that sort of mid-century modern, just look at this. Oh my god, how retro is this? It's got 6 coasters in it. The handle moves down. It's really delicate. It already broke actually, so I've been gluing it back together. Comes with these, look, they're real butterflies in there. I find that a little bit gross personally, but I might just spray paint these, or I might change this inside. Haven't decided. One of them is broken. And this is broken as well. So I mean, there's a bit of construction work to do on it, but I just love how it comes. I just think I might paint this all gold or copper and keep it in the kitchen. But I love how delicate it is. And I mean, it's really delicate, but I just think it's a really cute little carry. It's just gorgeous. I really like it. Let me know what you think. And then the final little thing I bought was this. It's like a mid-century modern coloured dish. Not sure what I'm going to use it for, but I thought it looked like a cat. Anyone else see that? I'm sure it looks a bit like a cat's face, right? As in like the two ears. Anyway, this was £2.50 as well. It hasn't got a maker's mark on it anywhere. We really like glassware, and I love these colours. I think this will look really nice in our kitchen somewhere, potentially, I don't know. I'm going to have to be really careful with spending any more money because Claire is actually going to flip her lid because we haven't even moved in. We haven't even got our kitchen. We've still got about 2 months until it's fully finished. So long, we've got so long, and I'm literally just buying stuff and we just can't keep doing it because we've got to move all the stuff we're buying into the house. Luckily, we only live a mile, we're moving a mile down the road from where we are now, so we can just take carload after carload. But I just want to do some DIYs while I can, you know, while I can in this house. I think it'll be good fun. But yeah, let me know what you think. They're my little buys. Let me know what you would do with these little coasters. And also if you think this is a cat. But yeah, so all in all, spent £7. I didn't say how much this was. It was £1.50 for this. So just such good bargains. My area, my charity shops are really well priced. So I do find that you're not paying top dollar for them. I think you're getting like really good bargains in there. I think if you were to go elsewhere, maybe in London or anything, this would be like £7.50. But still, it's still cheaper than the original, I'm guessing. This looks such well made. I wish it said what it was. There's no maker's mark on any of these, to be fair. But just love it. And comes with the original little spoon. So I just love it. It's great. Right then, thanks so much for watching. That's a really short video, but I just wanted to bring you these things. I want to get your thoughts on them. Please let me know if there's anything that you would do with any of these bits and bobs. I am trying to think of how to blooming film these DIYs. What I might have to do is just tell you what I did for these at the moment. Showing you how to spray paint something. I don't know. Let me know what you want because I really want to help make things for you and it will keep me occupied. So let me know and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.